Every evening, nature writes a new story, and today I came to the other side of this hill to witness it. As the sun begins to fall, the sky slowly turns into a canvas of gold, orange, and soft pink. The world becomes quiet, almost as if it's holding its breath. The breeze touches the grass gently, the shadows stretch longer, and everything around me feels calm, peaceful, alive in its own slow rhythm. With every passing minute, the light shifts, painting the hills and clouds in warm tones that only a sunset can create. This is the moment I love the most, when the sun hangs low, glowing like a burning ember right above the horizon. Please, before we go far, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and get tuned in every of our video. Lens is always EarthLens. Purple edges settle into the sky, the wind grows softer, and the world begins to whisper good night. Watching a sunset from a hilltop reminds me that every ending carries its own beauty, its own kind of peace. Thank you for watching, and welcome to my world of nature.
From the wild lakes of the world to the whispering hills, document nature's beauty and the lives it touches. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share at EarthLens Nature Show.